this video we'll give it a good clean, maybe apply a few mods since I have a couple of boxes there. And yeah, you can see the E90 in the background. We'll have some things applied to it as well, so let's get into it. So the first thing you notice in the interior are these carpets. They look disgusting and I don't know why they are here, and they are dirty as well, so might as well just throw them away and get some OEM black ones or gray ones. I don't even know, let me know. Also, this here is pretty dirty, needs a clean. Further down, that's dirty, that's dirty. Well, it's dirty all over the place. This is dirty. Found some treasure inside of here. There we found a hook. I'd say you shouldn't use a hook with such a car, so we'll just sell that one and obviously change this bumper to M Sport without a hook. So the car already looks 10 times better. Just cleaned the carpets, got all the dust out from holes, cleared that one, but this piece is a bit cracked, so I'll just replace all of it. Also thinking about getting a phone, and as you can see we have a random radio in here and it doesn't look good at all, and it doesn't even fit with this cover from the old stereo, the original one. So I have something in here to replace it. Also still need to have some clean over these pieces at the top, but overall it's looking way better. So now let's install the mod, and what we have in the box is actually an Android TV, so it will look like OEM but it will have Android system within it. Let's get to installation. What the... had a little situation out here. Previous owner probably had a subwoofer in here, so he had a bunch of more wires in there. Already cut half of them out, plus this one, I don't know what it does, but it had one wire, this exact wire from here leading to this and then leading to nowhere, so I had no sound when plugging this one in. But now I connected it back to where originally it was. Now I'll just put some duct tape and it should be fine. Now the sound is there, and now I just need to put everything back together, and that's it with installation. Out there without care, yeah, I was out of touch, but it wasn't because I didn't know enough. I just knew too much. Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Does that make me crazy? Okay, so we have our Android in place. Next thing, this. I haven't received the M shift knob yet, but I do have the 5-gear short shift. It's not an M, but if you compare it in size, this one is way shorter. So let's just do that. Simple as that. And it's out. That's it. Already looking better. Also thinking what to do with this. I don't know if I should keep it wooden or maybe get something like piano black or any other wrap or just repaint. I don't know, let me know what you think. Maybe black would look better, then this wouldn't stand out so much. It would like merge in with the rest of the black pieces. Like this one isn't working. Need to find out why, because also from the key I can open the trunk, but it does not work when I want to close or unlock the car. That's weird. So I think some wires being cut somewhere and I just need to figure out where. But yeah, other than that, steering wheel in here, although this one will go out, we'll get a new one. Also, look how many wires have been cut out during the process. I still left a couple of them in there because I don't know where they lead. Maybe somebody will need them in the future. As for the Android, these pieces are missing, so the seller who I bought this Android from, he didn't mention those were missing, so I will have to figure out and find them somewhere, maybe in the scrapyard. But overall, it's pretty cool. Okay, so let's get to changing the taillights. These came in a couple of days ago. I haven't seen those yet, but it should be white indicator and in good shape. Also, while we're here, let's just clean this mess up.